Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about for loop in JavaScript. In this today's session, we'll discuss for with some initialization and condition and iteration, and without that also how we can able to some different approaches how we can able to create the for loop. We'll see. Okay. And before that, you can able to see my last video also while loop and do while loop. Okay, that I also explained in last video. Okay, what exactly the difference is? The both same category. This for loop also will come, but while loop we are initializing outside and then we are making condition. Then inside we are going to iterating. Okay, do while loop also similar format we are doing. Okay, but for loop, all the condition, initialization, and iteration, both the things we are going to specify in one location. Both all three together, we can able to use for rotating that actions multiple times if you want to do that particular purpose. We are going to using for these loops. Okay, what is the syntax of means? First, sorry, for loop, and then two braces, and here we can able to initialization. Okay, initialize initialization. Okay, initialization, and then we can able to say semicolon, and then we are need to use for condition, and then we are going to use for iterator. Iterator is nothing but we are going to rotating the for loop and curly braces, and inside that statements. Okay, this is the main thing. What initialization can do? Initialization can do the starting of the position of the variable starting position we are going to define, and condition is how many times you are going to rotating that. Iteration means every time it will increment for one particular value. Okay, and even we can able to create for without initialization and condition iteration. How means for, and you can able to use for space semicolon space semicolon and curly braces. Like this also we can able to specify it will execute for our code. Okay, how we can able to do it, we'll see now. I'll go and use for for loop .html. I'll remove these all the things. Okay, now here we need to use for both the condition. First condition we can able to check first simple loop we can able to use simple for loop here for, sorry, let I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 10, I plus plus, and then curly braces, document dot write line, and here we can able to specify I. Okay, and semicolon. Now if I save here, if I'm going to run this particular file live server, then you can see 10 values are defined. Okay, this is a simple for loop. Now we already saw, right, we can able to create for some different approach, like if you want to increment two values, like one two I don't want. Now here you can able to see 1 2 3 4 5 like that. I don't want for uh 2, I want to 3, I don't want 4, I want to 5, like that. We can one out of that we can able to do it. How we can able to do that? And also the expression initialization also we can able to do for outside. How we can able to do that? Okay, now initialization I'm going to do for outside. Now I'm going to remove this one up to here, and here if I specify here also the initialization will be work out. Okay, the same format, but also I'm going to specify for 2. If I 2 mention means it will go for one particular value increment. Okay, now I'm saving now. You can see here 13579. Okay, means it will increment for every time 2 values. Okay, and in case if I don't want for condition now, I want to initialize here, but I don't want to condition. Then how we can able to do? Okay, initialization will be there, but condition is not there. Now again I'm copying this one, pasting here, and now what I can do, this particular one I'll cut and paste it here, but this particular value mark it here. Now I removed for condition. Okay, I removed for condition. Now here what I can do, I'll mention for if, because we used if, right? A is less than or equal to 10, then we can able to use the break. Okay, if it is equal or less than, then we can able to greater than or equal to, we can specify, because then only we need to jump out of that, right? You can see up to 11 it came, then it is jump out of that, correct? Similar format we can able to do another one, like without any body, like without anything from here, we just you can utilizing and we can able to do it. How we can able to do that particular operation? Now here you can able to see let I equal to 1. Okay, in a for loop what I can do, space semicolon space semicolon. Okay, and curly brace. Okay, inside that what I can do, if I is greater than 10, if I is greater than 10, we can able to say break, we can say for break. Okay, and then we can able to use for inside that only, we can use for document dot write, document dot write line, we can able to specify the value which you are going to display, and then we can able to use for iteration I plus or equal to 2. Okay, now you can save. Now you can see same output without any issue. Okay, even that also it is work. Even you can able to use for multiple increments also. If you want to define something without any body expression, if I want to print something, then how we can able to do? Okay, now we are going to see for without any body section. Okay, how we can able to write it? Now I'm going to use for another sum I'm going to take now equal to 0, because in I spend some value and storing for 0 value. Then I'm going to use for here for loop, let I equal to 1, I equal to 1, and then I I is greater than less than or equal to 9 or 10, I plus plus and semicolon, and then we can able to see sum plus or equal to I, plus or equal to I. Okay, this is the format we can able to here. Okay, both are same condition, right? Then we can use for comma. What we are doing, for loop, and let I be incremented and less than or equal to be used. Here we can able to sum or plus or equal to I. Okay, the increment we are done. Okay, now here we can able to specify document dot write, and we can able to specify sum. Okay, Now again I'm saving. Now you can see you can see the value sum it is displayed. Okay, first time becomes 0, then it is 0 and 2. Like this it will keep on, it will check and it will provide you for proper result. But as I it should be give the sum. Completely need to give the 54 is the final output. Okay, it's a single it need to be but it is completely it is given for we will see semicolon to end. Yeah, now it is. Uh, because I not specified the semicolon, that's why it is taking for single execution only. Now it is 65. 65 is the one final output. Okay, if you are not specify semicolon, then it will keep on check and it increment and it will show you. But if you specify the semicolon, then it will give you for the complete information like final output of the sum value. Okay, these are the four different approaches we can able to create our for loop. Okay, I hope it this information help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.